First of all, I want to appreciate the partnership between the Union of African Journalists, the Supreme Council of Media, and the American University in Cairo. Today we have had an opportunity that we never had. Like for example, in my country, the Republic of South Sudan, you don't see these very sophisticated machines that I've seen today at the university, American University in Cairo. So if I were to rate you, I would give you 5 stars.
Art technology here, like your studios, your equipment, everything is just like top notch. I appreciate the 2 lecturers. They did an amazing job. I'm empowered, especially the first one with the professor. But even the last lady actually like opened my eyes, because I want to start my own newspaper in the near future. So like I think this place is really quite, there's a high standard here. You guys are like super, you got it.
This top first-class equipment compared to when I was in the university. We never had something like this. And I've left university now for over 4 years. And even when I go back to my alma mater, it's not something compared to this. It's not even close. So I think Egypt is trying, and AUC is a good institution for up-and-coming journalists.
What amazed me is that, I studied in Malaysia. Lim Kok Wing University is exactly the same platform. I was actually, wow, okay, I received the same education that America is offering there. So yeah, the equipment, it's fine. But for me, it wasn't like, it wasn't new to me. When I got my broadcasting and journalism degree, exactly the platform, the studio setup, it's exactly the same. And you guys just remind me of when I was doing my degree. We're doing this, yes. But it's actually amazing to know that even you guys are giving out international standard education. I can call it like that, which is best. Because like back home, they don't have such national universities. They don't have such setups.
استفدنا كثيرا في كل ما يتعلق بالماركتينج والصحافة. نعلم جيدا بأن الصحافة المكتوبة تعاني الأمرين، يعني في ظل الانتشار الكبير للصحافة الإلكترونية والاكتساح الذي حققته التكنولوجيا الحديثة، يعني هذا كله حد من الانتشار أو حد من مردودية الصحافة الورقية أو المطبوعة، باعتبارها الآن تعتبر صحافة كلاسيكية أو قديمة. يعني عليها أن تجدد أو تطور طرق وأساليب اشتغالها. نعلم أن الصحافة المكتوبة والصحافة الورقية يمكن أن نقول عنها أنها صحافة، لا يمكن أن نقول أنها ماتت، لكنها تمرض، يعني في ظل هذا التطور الملحوظ الذي شهده التطور الرقمي والعولمة وكذلك مواقع التواصل الاجتماعي.